Time for the weather now, and it seems lots of you were watching at home early this morning, capturing the stunning lunar eclipse. And Lily's here now to share some of those brilliant pictures.
I've had lots of lovely pictures in, but you did have to be up quite early, between sort of 5 and 6:30 a.m. is when the eclipse took place. But your reward for being an early riser is obviously the fantastic sight and some lovely photo opportunities as well. So we've got some highlights to show you now. Starting with light that reaches it is scattered by the Earth's atmosphere. It causes those red colours, something called Rayleigh scattering. And it's that same effect that actually gives us our red sunsets as well. So it's a little fact for you there. And quite a lot of you did manage to capture those orangey colour result there as well. Now, somebody who didn't seem too bothered by the element and actually seemed quite relaxed was Roseanne, who managed to zen then. Lovely painting as well. But there was quite a lot to contend with, not just the showers, but also the clouds. You had to sort of wait for a moment in between the clouds clearing to capture the moon. If you waited, you could just capture it as it was peeping out from there. So some lovely shots. Thanks to everyone sending those ones in.
Did not know we had so many early birds living in the Channel Islands. Were you up?
Absolutely not.
Did a little peep. It was a little bit cloudy.
Now, before the weather forecast, it's been a real mixed bag. I was having a chat with a friend the other day. It's like all the seasons coming this week. Is this kind of mix of weather going to continue?
Well, I would say tomorrow it could be quite mixed once again, but then as we head into next week, it's looking more settled. And as you say, talking to your friend, we've had all mixed kind of weather. I've got a photo that really sums that up that I sent in from this week. And of course, creating that lovely rainbow effect as well. Perfectly sums up this week's weather, but let's get all the details as we head into the weekend. Well, we have had some lovely sunshine and some bright weather at times today, but still 1 or 2 showers, and that picture remains the same into tomorrow. Saturday looking like the brightest day of the weekend, where we'll see most in the way of sunshine, but also the day where there are still a few showers around. By Sunday, things drying out, so you'd be unlucky to be hit by a shower then, and it will be a cloudier picture as well. And as we head into next week, generally we're going to get getting some milder temperatures as our winds switch to a more southerly direction, and we are expecting more settled and dry conditions as well. And we can see that here on the air mass chart now. We've had northeasterly winds bringing down cooler air with moisture in, but as for the winds switch to a more southerly direction, it'll be moving over France, so drier air and also warmer conditions headed our way into next week. Back to you tonight then, and we're starting off with some clear spells, then more of these showers moving in. There could be the odd heavy burst in the mix there, perhaps with hail, and as we approach dawn, likely clouding over with minimum temperatures of 2 to 3 degrees. As I said, Saturday really a mixture of sunshine and of some showers around, especially into the morning. As we head throughout the day and into the afternoon, the risk of showers just decreasing slightly, so perhaps drier later on and more of that sunshine as well, but still feeling cold with a northerly breeze. It's a bit fresher tomorrow. What that means is any showers we do have should pass through fairly quickly, but the winds up to fresh force 5 at times and highs of around 8 degrees. Let's get our times of high water then between 7 and 8 a.m, later on between 7:30 and around 8:10, with the sea temperature just below 9 degrees. So moving through the weekend, we have still got high pressure sitting over us, so it is likely to be a settled day on Sunday, if a little bit cloudier, and we can see that reflected on the outlook here. Going into next week, as the winds switch around, we can see temperatures gradually starting to climb and feeling a little milder.